伫咱台湾各地头，有缘有袂少二战过后留落来的军事基地，亲像伫屏东枋寮的石头营、台中西屯的炮垒等等。伫去年，就外国人自发性伫网络顶头创一个 YouTube 频道，希望甲台湾的重要性绍介予全世界知。
This is another example of one of the KMT bunkers on top of this mountain here. You see this bunker here?
David 当伫咧绍介日处世界大战和战后国军所起的圆条形的基层炮垒。
This one's quite rusty, so be careful with this one. Yeah.
像安尼的炮垒，伫咧台中市都会公园附近也有几搭。Colin、David 和 Michael 当伫咧拍纪录片，就望即寡重要的军事基地和历史建筑的影像，会当永远互留落来。
Well, there's a misconception that history is boring, especially amongst young people, and I think the reason for that is because the way it's presented, the way it's taught. So we present it in a way that history is very exciting. It's an adventure.
There are no scheduled passenger services to the island.
We've come a long way.
We are in Ghost Island.
对片哦，西苏这个无人岛，翕到屏东枋寮石头营，要去红改建做太阳能电厂的基地。
The next couple of years, it's going to be dug out and replaced by a solar panel farm. It's not ideal, really.
因关心环境、文化和地理。
Taiwan's such an unknown country, but it's pivotal in world affairs. Throughout history, it's been very, very important. And especially now with the tensions between the US and the West and China.
I get lots of messages to say, I didn't know this existed within Taiwan before. Thank you for showing us and thank you for what you do. So it feels quite humbling to get this.
只要收到观众的老话，这个外国的创作者拢感觉真安慰，因为代表有人和因同齐伫咧认捌台湾的历史。伫咧台湾10外冬，因拢讲台湾那像是因新的故乡，未来要继续探索，用冒险的精神，将因心目中的台湾绍介予全世界。记者阿敏金、曾海文台中报道。